In my last video, I shared how my 6-year-old is saving $400 for her telescope. But today I will show you the simple system that's helping her actually do it. It's our mom's bank. As I mentioned in the last video, we created something called Mom's Bank. It's a simple, fun way to teach kids saving, patience, and how money grows. Here's how it works. Whenever my daughter gets or earns money, she divides it into two parts. 40% liquid money, she can use it anytime. 60% is saving. The saving portion stays with me in this jar. It's a transparent, so she can check it anytime. But it's usually kept away from her daily view. She has only access to her spending money, not her savings. Now comes the exciting part, the interest. Let's say she deposits $10 today. Next month, on the same day, during our bank day session, I add $1 to this jar. If she keeps it for 3 months, she will have $13. But here's the bonus. If she doesn't touch that money for 3 months, she gets $1 extra. So now it becomes $14. And if she keeps that money in the saving for 6 months without touching it, she gets $1 more extra. So at the end of the 6 month, she is getting $18 instead of $16. And plus she gets a reward card. This reward could be anything, any kind of experience, choice, something fun. Every month on the fixed day, we have something called a bank day. On that bank day, we open this jar, add interest, update the balance tracker. This helps her actually see how money grows, not just hear about it. She also has access to the tracker anytime she wants to check it. So she can understand math behind it. And honestly, this is where real learning happens. To make this easier for you, I have created a banking workbook that you can use with your child. It is linked in the description and available only for this week. This simple system has made a huge difference for us. It's not just about saving money, it's about building habits for life. I would love to know what your child is saving for. And let me know in the comment. I read everyone. Thank you for being here and keep in touch. We will learn more about financial literacy in the next videos.